you guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm really excited about today's video. We're going to be doing a lot in this video. I have so much I need to get done. I want this video to help prepare you for the week ahead. Anything that you need to get done, just go ahead and write it down. Figure out what you want to knock out today, what you want to knock out for the week, and let's do this together. So today we're going to be decluttering. We're going to be making some changes in the home that I'm going to share with you that I'm really excited about. We're also going to be taking Ava to get her first haircut, which is super amazing. So I'm going to be sharing some mom life with you along with other things. So stay tuned. I hope you guys get tons of motivation from this video. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump in.
Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you.
So I do want to mention that this haircut is what inspired today's video. I'm not a family vlogger, but I do want to record as many moments as I can of my kids, and this was just a special moment for us. This was Ava's first haircut, and so I wanted to not only share it with you guys, but also just have it like for us and make this kind of something special. So I figured I'd include it in this video and make a vlog out of it for today. And I hope you guys just enjoy seeing some of this family mom life here. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take these curtains down because we are going to replace them with the curtain rods, the black curtain rods that we have up there that we got from Amazon, and then the white curtains. A lot of you guys asked me about these curtains, and a lot of the stuff that I showed in my previous videos and that I show in my videos, I have them linked below in my Amazon store. So always check there. It's always linked in the description box, and I'll have like all this stuff. Anyway, so I wanted to explain to you, I forgot to tell you in my home refresh series, the first episode, I forgot to let you guys know that the reason we replaced these, besides I was wanting that fresh look here, I also replaced them because these are not actual curtains. These were left here by the builders, and they do not open up. Like, they just don't. You can tell right there that they're not a full curtain, so you can't even close them, so they're almost useless. We're gonna go ahead and take these down, and you guys are gonna see how it ends up all coming together and looking.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own ride. Got the worst now, cause we're so young.
I just want to mention that this kind of stuff used to be intimidating to me, and then I made an effort to kind of learn how to do it. I had my husband help me out, I had my bestie Emily help me out, and now that I know how to do these things for myself, it makes it really easy to go ahead and like decorate my house and look for things online that I might have been intimidated to install myself, but now I am able to install it. And so if you ever feel like you can't do something, just learn it and just try, and before you know it, you're gonna have it down, and then you're gonna be able to do it on your own. You're not gonna need anyone's help, and that's what I love about this, is I did this completely on my own. I just take more pride into it because it was my task that I did. So I'm continuously learning how to do more things around my house, and I'm just loving it. So I wanted to share that with you guys because that was kind of something that I was dealing with for a long time, is having to wait for someone to help me, and now I can kind of do some of these things on my own.
Crazy to the radio. I remember it like
right, you guys, so we are inside my husband's now office slash studio, and we're gonna do a little bit of decluttering and organizing this closet. We're gonna clean it out. Anyway, so we have like so much stuff at the top here, all through here, as you can see. I mean, just tons of mess. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this out because we're gonna be making a trip to the dump, and some things we're gonna be donating, taking a trip to go donate them, and then some things we're gonna go to the dump because we have like a lot of things that are just trash. They're not worth donating or anything. So, all right, let's do this.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you
We were really enjoying decluttering this box because I found so many old pictures from when Isaiah was a little boy, when he was like of his age. So she was really excited to see those. So it was really fun because there was also things from like my childhood and awards and things like that. Let me know if you guys enjoy going through old boxes for that reason, just kind of reminiscing on the past and back in the day and things like that.
You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
This is really amazing because this box was full of like memorabilia and junk. All of it's gone in the trash, and then the rest I'm keeping from like my childhood and the kids' stuff are all in here. But like, look how minimal it is. So now I can just put the rest of the like memories type things in here. So yay! I love decluttering. All right, so now the closet's done. My husband wanted to keep a few things up here, and then we just have those things now. That is for like spring decorating that I want to use this year. I need to put it with my decor. But everything else is clean, and he just wants to keep that in there. So now we're gonna move some stuff to the garage and then take some stuff to the dump. So we're done decluttering for now. I feel like we've done so much. I need to actually answer a few emails and get some stuff done. I do have a new planner that I got, so I'm really excited to dive in here and start just like writing everything out for the month and the rest of this week. So I want to give myself like an hour to answer emails, answer comments, and contact Dyson because I feel like my Dyson isn't working really well on carpet. So my friend's like, go ahead and contact them because it should be spinning and working well on carpet. So maybe like my particular vacuum that I got just is not working. So I'm gonna send them a little video of how it's working on carpet or how it doesn't work on carpet and see what they say, and hopefully they are easy to work with.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hey you guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you some of this fitness gear that was sent to me. I went ahead and opened this one. I've been actually wearing these leggings the last couple of weeks because I really like to try out products or clothes, things like that, before I let you guys know my review on them. But since it is that time of year where we're all trying to get like healthy and fit, I wanted to share where there is some really affordable fitness gear. So I'm gonna do a quick little try on haul. I got a couple of tops here and then some sports bras. These leggings are amazing. I'll put them on and show you. I think I've worn them in a recent cleaning video, but yeah, I just absolutely love them. They are high-waisted. They're high-waisted, they're comfy, and then they have like this design here. The company is YVETTE, and they have that logo right down the leg here, which actually looks really cool. I like the detail of it, and then I love this color. So I will have all of the links to these products down in the description box, and they also gave me a 15% off discount code for you guys. So make sure you check them out because they're super affordable, and I know how expensive fitness gear can get. So let me go ahead and try these on for you guys.
It's done, all done. Time flies, I know that's for sure. Yeah. You're gone, you're gone. I'm not your prisoner in your cold war anymore. Oh no. But I have a feeling.
That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you got tons of inspiration and motivation. Don't forget to check out YVETTE Sportswear. You guys are going to love the quality of their products, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you. Have a great week. Bye.
So it didn't have to hurt this